Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's so great seeing you again. As I promised you, today it's another popsicle recipe. It's also sunny days, so it's great. And today's popsicle, I took my inspiration from Ariel the Little Mermaid from Disney. Therefore I used seaweeds and like the pinkish color in the popsicle. You'll see, don't worry. So without further ado, let's go to the video, shall we? To make the Mermaid Popsicle, you will need 2 shot glasses, 1 raspberry and 1 blueberry, half cup of almond milk, maple syrup, 2 ready bananas, spirulina powder, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and protein shake of vanilla flavor. It's my favorite. First use 1 teaspoon of the spirulina powder and add a bit of hot water. Give it a nice stir and place it aside. Because spirulina powder do take a bit of time until it's all dissolved. That's the reason why. For the base of the popsicle, you just need to pour in the almond milk, the Greek yogurt and the 2 bananas. Close the lid and shake it up. Now pour a third of the batch into a cup and save it for later. That's gonna be our green flavor, the spirulina flavor. For the bigger batch, pour in the fruits. Add 2 teaspoons of organic maple syrup, that's my favorite. Close the lid and mix it up again real good. Fill the cavities 2/3 full, because remember, we want to make 2 color popsicles. For the second batch, remember the cup I told you to save for later? Well, now it's later. I eyeballed it but added about a tablespoon of spirulina, and to eliminate the taste of the spirulina because, well, big surprise, it tastes like a seaweed. I added a half cup of my vanilla protein shake. It goes great together. When you're done mix it up, pour the second batch above the previous one and pop it into the fridge for 24 hours. For the topping of those popsicles, you will need white candy melts, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and dried raspberries. Melt the candy melts and the coconut oil together and mix until smooth. I added a bit more after because I wanted it to be very runny. Drizzle that above the middle of the popsicles and before it freezes, add the dry raspberries on top. So that's it for that video. I think it's enough popsicle videos. By the way, do let me know in the comments down below because I don't know what you rather to see. Like popsicle videos, dessert recipes, anything. Just write in the comments so I will know like what you prefer to see me making. So as usual, if you're not already a subscriber already, which I don't know why, subscribe down below and I will see you next week. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I will know what videos do you like to see. And I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.